Okay, guys, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, come on, let's go. Hey, stop pushing me down. Fine, fine. I want to be in the front. Ah! What just happened? Guys, this place is already getting kind of weird. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Everything looks normal to me. There's a normal TV. And help, please help! Oh no, what was that? Oh no, what was that? I need to go check. I think they're hurt. No, they're killed. Who did this? I need to check. Killed them. Okay. Hey, what's that door? Let's go. All right. I'm all alone. Hey, what's this yellow thingy? Nothing's happening. Can't go in. Whoa! Did it turn on? Whoa! 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 Why is there a skeleton here? And there's blood. Hello? He's definitely dead. Who did this? Who did this? I must see. What's happening? Oh, I need to get out of here. Quick! I need to get out. There's a strong wave in here. I need to get out. 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 I need to get out of here. I need to get out. I need to get out. I need to go. Oh no. What? Phew. Can't believe. What was that strong wave that pushed me away?